Welcome, luminous soul. You've wandered here from the hours of the day, and now you stand on the threshold of the night, a place where time slows and dreams rise like constellations. Close your eyes and feel the vast quiet of the universe around you. The breath moves in and the breath moves out. Like the tide of a great ocean you cannot see, but you can feel in your bones, in your mind's eye. You are standing at the edge of a silver river. It does not flow over the earth. It flows through the sky. Its waters shimmer with starlight, each ripple carrying fragments of ancient stories told long before you were born. The air is cool, and the sound is not of water, but of the gentle hum of infinity. A small boat waits for you, light as a feather, woven from moonlight and mist. You step inside, and the river accepts you without a sound. It carries you forward through constellations that bend low to greet you, their light brushing over your skin like the touch of old friends. The sky stretches without end, a canvas painted in deep velvet blues and gold. The boat glides past galaxies, blooming like flowers, their spirals slow and graceful, as if they are breathing with you. You realize that you are not traveling away from home, but deeper into it. Every star, every planet, every drifting comet feels like part of your own soul. Somewhere ahead, the river bends into a soft fog of light. It surrounds you, warm and glowing, and you feel your body growing lighter. The boundaries between you and the night dissolve. You are no longer a traveler. You are the river itself. The stars hum in your chest. The galaxies swirl in your breath. The silence sings through your bones. And here, in this dreamlike expanse, you understand without words that you have always belonged. That the universe has known your name since before the first dawn. That the same light burning in the stars burns quietly, eternally in you. The boat drifts slower now, the current easing, carrying you into stillness. The river spreads into a great, calm pool, and above it, the moon watches, soft and timeless. You close your eyes, and the silver water rocks you into rest. The journey continues, but the waking part of you no longer needs to follow. Let the music carry the boat now. Let the night hold you. You are safe. You are infinite. You are home.